One of the nice things about Photoshop's shape tools is that they could be used to create placeholders in layouts. So if I'm trying to design a layout, for example, I'm going to hold my shift key down and place this exactly where I want it. Make it a color so that I can see on that background. And I think I'll even round the corners. Now I'm going to duplicate that layer, and I'll grab my move tool and hold my shift key down and align it on the right side there. And then I'm going to duplicate that. Let's bring it over here in the middle. I'm just going to take a guess. I want 4 of these. And so I can take all 4 layers, clicking on the first one, just clicking on the last one, and with my move tool I can come in here and say distribute them on their centers, and that will perfectly line them up with an exact amount of same space between each one, based on where the first and the last ones are. And then I can bring my 4 seasons up like so. Now as a placeholder, then I can command click on, let's see, on that layer. So let's go in on that layer. I'm going to take a minute and find an image that I like. There's a nice autumn image. I'm going to shift or command A to select all, command C to copy. I have this selected, and so I can come in and go paste special, paste into, and that pastes it inside of there. And you'll notice over in the layer I have the image and a mask with that. And so I can take my move tool and I can move my image around inside of that mask. And then I can repeat for each one of the 4 seasons. I may want to take that Utah and perhaps add a drop shadow to it so that it stands out just a little bit more from those background layers. Looks like I turned off one of them. But that's one of the advantages of using shapes for layout.